Good evening. This is All India Radio, Kohima. I'm Jonas Yandan with Evening News. The headlines. Confirmed cases of coronavirus in India increases to 2,301. Prime Minister Modi urges people to light up candles on Sunday night at 9 p.m. to display the nation's collective spirit to defeat COVID-19. Nagaland Chief Minister Neiphiu visits Dimapur COVID-19 hospital, and Dimapur administration extends total lockdown for another 2 days. A total 2,301 confirmed cases of coronavirus have been registered in the country. Health and Family Welfare Ministry has confirmed that of the total there are 2,088 active cases, while 156 patients have been cured and 56 deaths reported in the country till 9 a.m. this morning. The total confirmed cases include 16 in Assam, 2 in Manipur, and 1 each in Mizoram and Arunachal Pradesh. Meanwhile, results of the 9 COVID-19 suspect samples out of the 41 sent from Nagaland till yesterday is still awaited. Officials of the Directorate of Health and Family Welfare Nagaland informed that there is no positive COVID-19 case so far in the state, as 32 tests conducted so far have tested negative. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has urged the countrymen to switch off lights of their homes on Sunday at 9 p.m. for 9 minutes and light up diyas, candles or mobile flashlights to display the nation's collective spirit to defeat coronavirus. In a video message this morning, the Prime Minister said people should maintain social distancing, stay indoors and not form groups while lighting up lamps. Modi said people displayed unprecedented discipline and sense of service during the ongoing nationwide coronavirus lockdown. He said a country has to move towards light from the darkness created by coronavirus. The Prime Minister said people are at home during lockdown, but they are not alone, as collective strength of the entire country is with each one of them. Modi also said the way people paid gratitude to those fighting against COVID-19 on 22nd of last month has become a model that is being emulated by other countries. He added that junta curfew and ringing of bells have made people of the country aware of their unity amidst this challenging time. Nagaland Chief Minister Neiphiu visited District Hospital Dimapur, which has been converted into COVID-19 hospital, to take stock of the situations and preparedness for tackling the containment of coronavirus. Rio visited the 100-bedded COVID-19 hospital, which has intensive care unit equipped with 3 beds and 3 ventilators, an isolation ward with 10 beds. He also visited the tourist lodge to see the preparedness, which has been designated as COVID-19 quarantine center for Dimapur. Dimapur being the gateway of Nagaland, Rio said if the cosmopolitan town is properly checked, it will benefit the whole state. He said the state government is trying all out for preparedness and is committed that Dimapur remains secure. Expressing hope that together we can contain the virus, Rio lauded all officials and professionals for working hard with commitment and dedication. Rio also expressed gratitude to civil societies and the public for their support and cooperation in adhering to the total lockdown in Dimapur. Rio was accompanied by his Deputy Chief Minister, cabinet colleagues and top bureaucrats of the state. Continuing the efforts towards containing the spread of COVID-19 pandemic in the commercial hub of Nagaland, the District Magistrate and Commissioner of Police, Dimapur, Rotihu Detso, has further extended the prohibitory order for total restriction of movement of public and vehicles in Dimapur district till the midnight of 5th of this month. Deputy Commissioner Dimapur, Anup Kinchi, had initially promulgated the total closure, including the essential commodity shops, for 3 days, ending midnight tonight from 6 a.m. of 1st of April. However, the DC has issued prohibitory orders saying the containment measures would remain in force in all parts of Dimapur district for 2 more days till 5th of April. He said movement of police, army, paramilitary forces, magistrates, district administration, doctors, medical staff, chemist, pharmacist, media, DMC and sanitation, treasury, banks, power, PHE, IOC, FCI, food and civil supply, airport, railway staff, and telecom, including private internet service provider in discharge of official duty, and vehicles transporting essential commodities will be exempted. Meanwhile, PR of Dimapur Police said the total lockdown imposed in the district was successful. He said that elaborate police personnel have been deployed in all strategic locations to prevent people from going out except for those on medical emergencies. This news comes to you from All India Radio, Kohima. President Ramnath Kovind, along with Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu, today interacted with the governors, lieutenant governors, and administrators of all states and union territories through video conferencing to discuss measures to combat COVID-19. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi today gave the 5-point mantra of Sankalp, Sanyam, Sakarat, Makatrata, Saman and Sayok to tackle COVID-19. Interacting with over 40 top sportspersons from across disciplines, including Bharat Ratna Sachin Tendulkar, BCCI President Saurav Ganguly, women's hockey team captain Rani Rampal, and ace badminton player P.V. Sindhu, among others, Modi said the sportspersons have brought glory to the nation. He said now they have an important role to play in boosting the morale of the nation and spreading positivity. Prime Minister said COVID-19 is an adversary of the entire humanity, and the gravity of the situation can be ascertained from the fact that for the first time since Second World War, the Olympics have been postponed. Modi asked sportspersons to highlight the importance of both physical and mental fitness and also popularize guidelines released by Ayush Ministry. Prime Minister mentioned that it is imperative India emerges victorious in this battle against the pandemic and expressed confidence in the proactive participation by the sportspersons in this battle. Amidst the nationwide lockdown due to COVID-19 pandemic, the Nagaland Kamburas Federation has appreciated the state government for all the efforts that are being carried out to control the spread of coronavirus. In a release, the Federation said, Nagaland being way behind in medical infrastructure to tackle such pandemic, everyone must understand the situation and cooperate with the authority in all possible manner. It also appreciated all the frontline workers headed by district administration, medical department, police, health workers and leaders of different colonies and all NGOs and individuals helping out daily wages and migrant workers in cash and kind. Meanwhile, the Federation appealed to all the villages and citizens to kindly abide by the government's directives in this crucial time, as lapses from any side could be hazardous for all of us. In this, the Federation also urged upon the government to make a rush for procurement of coronavirus testing kits for the state so that Nagaland will no longer depend on other states for faster and effective sample test results. It further requested the government to impart awareness regarding COVID-19 in rural areas and villages. In the wake of coronavirus outbreak, the Chagasang Youth Front, CYF, has appealed to all the citizens of Pek district not to panic but to stay calm as a responsible person by strongly abiding by the rules laid down by the concerned authorities in the district. In a release, CYF, while appreciating the medical personnel for tirelessly and efficiently working to counter the epidemic in the district, has appealed to all the medical staff to be present 24/7 in their respective postings to provide necessary services to the general public in this crucial period. It is urged upon the state government to provide essential medical equipments to all the health centers in Pek district at the earliest, and also to provide essential commodities to the poor people according to the provision. Meanwhile, the CYF reminded the general public to sternly follow the ban orders of the Chagasang Public Organization in regard to hunting during this lockdown period. In this, the CYF entrusted the respective youth presidents to check such activities in their respective areas. In the fight to contain the spread and also take preventive measures against COVID-19 pandemic in Beren district, the two legislators of the district have contributed cash and personal protective equipments, PPEs, to the district task force on COVID-19. Leader of Opposition and former CM T.R. Zeliang and the advisor for water resources Namrin Chung contributed 1 lakh and 3 lakh rupees respectively, along with PPEs, to Deputy Commissioner Beren Senti Wopang Aya on Wednesday. Further, the Minister for Higher and Technical Education, Temchen Imnalong, also donated 1 lakh rupees towards the district. And now 20 news, here are the main points again. Confirmed cases of coronavirus in India increases to 2,301. Prime Minister Modi urges people to light up candles on Sunday night at 9 p.m. to display the nation's collective spirit to defeat COVID-19. Nagaland Chief Minister Neiphiu visits Dimapur COVID-19 hospital. And Dimapur administration extends total lockdown for another 2 days. That is all we have in this evening news bulletin. Good night.